Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna break down gold. Let's start on the weekly. As you can see here, we reached our major target, was this level right here, and our next target, it's 2000, price 2000 as our major resistance on the weekly. So we've been super bullish on the daily. Let's see the daily. Okay, I'm gonna delete this. Okay, so on the daily, as you can see here, we are on a trend, a bullish trend, but we reached we're about to reach a major swing high or previous swing high level. So two things can happen. So number one, today it's Friday, so we might still close bullish, and on the next week we might see a push and maybe a pullback to lower levels of price, and we will decide, well, maybe if this is a small pullback, a continuation lower, or a pullback to continuation higher or lower. Okay, so we are on a super important weekly level right here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna take trades today. Let's see what we have in here on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, on the 4-hour, interesting. Okay, on the 4-hour, we are now seeing some signs of rejection to 1980, but we haven't broke structure, I think. Yeah, but we closed, this candlestick closed above the lowest low from the previous. Okay, so in order to take a sell setup, I would like to see gold going below this low, okay, retrace back, and maybe a continuation to our 4-hour level, which was this one right here. As you can see, from this level we rejected, consolidated, and then we gold broke this level and use it as support. So that will be my next target. If I'm looking to buy, I would like to see gold trade or close above the highest high from the previous candlestick. Okay, use this as support and a continuation to our 2000 level of price. That will look like something like this. Let's go directly to 15 minutes because I love taking trades on 15-minute time frame. Okay, so this was from yesterday. Okay, this is today, Friday, and the day finish here. Okay, so right now this is our Asia low. We're trading above, we're making higher highs, so there's no signs of a sell setup at the moment. And let's see what happens on New York. This is London high right there, so we might expect a rejection to London high on New York, okay, and a sell or a breakout, retest or pullback, and continuation higher. If we break this level right here in green, I would like to see gold make something like this, as I explained on the 4-hour time frame, looking for previous levels right there. So number one target, number one, number two, okay. And we also have a trend line, if you like to use trend lines. Okay, so looks something like this. I'm not the best at trend lines, but yeah. So we also have a trend line. That's why this is my next target. If we decide to break these levels and make a sell, take a sell setup. But you know, just stick to the trend and to the bias, to the bullish bias. This will be my number one setup right here. So stop loss, super important, and well, continuation, something like this. Okay, for a buy setup and sell setup will look something like this. Okay, stop loss, well, it depends, of course. I think that's all on GBPUSD. GBPUSD, to be honest, nothing. I think nothing today. I think last video I mentioned that we are on a range that we could react from this level right here, 1.21. But yeah, I had a sell from yesterday right here, but it was late. It was like 2 p.m. New York time. I decided to not take this trade. But yeah, I would like to see GBPUSD going, since we're rejecting this level, going higher, to be honest. Once we break our structure on the daily, going higher. Okay, but yeah, it's like in the middle of nowhere right now. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.